Welcome second years to the another section of the grammar where you have to get the idea of how to fill up the forms. Filling in forms is being added in your syllabus to make you get an idea that how to fill up the forms and how to what the things to be taken care when you are filling in the forms. Many of the students still don't fill up their own forms. They actually rely on the elders of their home or from the college premises or from the school. Anybody who would be elder than you, you wanted them to fill up the forms because you have a feeling like I may spoil the form. So if you have this type of the feeling, get an awareness at how to fill up the forms. Then while filling up forms, there is a one tip to remember it out, that write down with the pencil first in a light way. Don't make it a dark way with the pencil itself, otherwise after erasing also you will get the prints of on that. So make it sure that you can fill up with the pencil, then you can go on after completing that. If you find it proper and good, then move on to fill it up with the pen. Now there are types of the forms. So many forms are there where we need to, even if you are nowadays also, if you are filling up your forms in online mode, then also you have to fill up. Then also you have to fill it up, all those things whatever being required, mandatory. Now here also these are the types of the forms which you have to remember. First is the admissions to colleges and schools and anywhere, to universities, wherever you want. Whenever you need an admission, you need to fill up the form. You need to give the total details of your own self. Next is opening bank accounts. If you want to open a bank account, saving bank account, when you want to deposit your amount, that you need to open a bank account, then you need to fill up all the credentials, whatever it is being required by the, you can say the either any authority, organization, whichever, because in bank accounts, opening bank accounts, you need different type of details, whereas in admissions to college you need different type of details. Okay, so that type of the details, whatever it is required, you have to understand and you have to fill it up. The next thing is opening post office savings account. Sometimes you have to open the, maybe many of you know aware that there is a savings account in post office also, where you can deposit your amount, where you can save your amount whenever you want. You can take the loan and all. That is also run by the government, so it is safe. So opening post office savings account is also counted, and we get the forms for this. And then next is the, if you are applying for the jobs also, you have to fill up certain criterias. Certain format would be there. Many colleges have, many schools, many colleges or many MNCs everywhere, wherever you want to work, there are certain format would be there, and they'll provide you one form. You have to fill it up in your manual handwriting, own handwriting, whatever the requirement of that particular job or whatever it is there. They would, if you are applying, you would have to fill up the forms. So these are the types of the forms which we have to fill it up. There are so many applications are there for bus passes, for many things are there. So those are also counted as the types of the forms. There are varieties. Now next is that I'll go for hints for filling in forms, especially for your examination point of view. Here, because why I am teaching it to you, filling in forms, because it may come into your examination. So for that purpose, you should read the question properly. First read the question, whatever the question being given. And I have given one example also, later on I'll show it to you. So first of all, read the question, whatever the question being given in the examination, and what type of the form they have given. Read the form carefully. The second thing is that read the form, whichever form being given in the reader and in the study material. You can find out the forms, filling in forms on page number 106, 105. You can go ahead in the study material, you can check it out, all the filling in forms are there. So there you can find out the how the forms being given and what is the, like as I said, type of form. So just read the form carefully, every detail into that. Once you just read it out, check the number of blanks to fill up. How many blanks are there, you have to fill it up to score the marks. I am teaching it to you for your examination, so we have to bother about examination pattern, and you can fill it up the forms. When you are filling it up, you have to find out how many blanks are there according to that, but here you have to check the numbers. They'll provide you the numbers, number 1 2 3 4 like that. So then you have to see the number, then how many blanks to fill it up, you have to be carefully check that. Next is mention the answer against the related number. If you are putting number 1, so the question whatever it is related to number 1 should be written over there. While writing in the answer booklet, you need to take care that you should not write down anything like upside down, like number 1, putting the number 1 question but writing the answer number 8, answer number 6. So it's better to just write it down whatever you are required to. Like question number 1, what is required? The answer. Then question number 2, what is required? The answer. We'll get one example, we'll do that one example. Then I hope you can understand what I wanted to say according to the instructions and how to write down the numbers. Okay, there is a one question which I have taken from your reader and this your study material. Read the question. As I said, first thing is read the question properly. This could be the question. You are Mr. C.H. Gopi Krishna. Okay, this is your name. You are Mr. C.H. Gopi Krishna. You have a savings bank account in the SBI. What you have? You have a savings bank account in which bank? You have in SBI, savings bank account in the SBI, State Bank of India, Hanamkonda branch. Where you have? In Hanamkonda branch. Okay, I hope you have understood. You are Mr. C.H. Gopi Krishna. You have a savings bank account in the SBI, Hanamkonda branch. Now your account number. So for time being, while you fill up the forms, you have to assume yourself as Mr. Gopi Krishna. Okay, your account number is this one. This is your account number. Withdraw an amount of rupees 9,800 by filling in the savings bank withdrawal form. How much amount you have to take out? You have to withdraw 9,800. It is your account over there in which bank? SBI in Hanamkonda branch. From there you have to take out how much amount? You have to take out 9,800. Withdraw means to take. You have to take the amount and from the savings bank account. Your savings were there and you are now withdrawing the amount. Okay. Now your format will be is given in your readers and your study materials. I have given you only the blanks. How they will give you the blanks, how they will divide the check or format in or form into the blanks. Number 1 has put against your date. Number 1 blank is the date. Can you find any date over here being written? Have they mentioned any date? No date in the question. Have they written today? No. If suppose some questions would be like that where they will write down today. Withdrawal by filling in the savings bank withdrawal form today. Today withdraw an amount. Today means whenever you are writing, even examination day, when you read the question in the examination, then only you have to write down that day's date, whatever the date would be. Okay, today means that day only. Now so here they have not written anything, so you can mention the date of whatever date you are actually writing this answer. The date you can mention according to your own choice. Date should be here, like we can take we can take any date, like 14th November or something, can we go ahead? Or December, 31st December, shall we go? 31st December 2020, whole date to be mentioned. So when you are writing this, in the format you should not write down anything, you have to check it out. Number 1 is date. In the answer booklet you should put number 1, then write down the answer as 31/12, whatever the date is. Okay, that should be your particular date. It should not be mentioned in the format of the question paper. It should be written in the answer booklet by putting number over there. Okay, so I'll mention it to you here only. Number 1 is the date, so we'll go ahead with that. Number 1 is, as we put, 31/12/2020. What is number 2? Number 2 is branch. What is number 2 is branch. What is the branch here? Just read out once again, then you can get that this is Hanamkonda branch. So write down the answer as Hanamkonda. Now next, third is account number. What is the account number? This is the account number 0152739836276. Always they give a account number. Always they give an account number. If they don't give an account number and they wanted you to write down from your own, so how we have assumed this date? In the same way we have to guess, or we have to create our own account number, then we can write it down. Next, third is fourth. Now we are going to write a name of account holder. So according to you, what is the name of account holder? Do you like to write down your own name? Is there any need? No, there is no need. That's why I said read the question properly. So what is the name here? Gopi Krishna. Okay. Next is rupees. Here number 5 is rupees. Rupees, RUPEES. When this is being written, you have to write down in words, not in numbers. Write in numbers, write in words. I hope you have remembered in your school days, you have written school days, maybe in your pre-primary classes more. So this is rupees here. How much rupees, how many rupees you want to withdraw? It is being given or not? Yeah, definitely it is given. You are not supposed to withdraw from your own. You have to write down whatever the amount being given. That is 9,800 only in words. 9,800 only. Okay, 9,800 only. Now next is your sixth, where you have to write down only RS, that is rupees also. Again rupees, but how? Not in words but in numbers. So now this is your sixth, 9,800. Okay, this could be your fulfilling the sixth blank. Now what is the seventh? Bank account. Which bank account it is there? What they have given you? Savings bank account. So seventh you can write down savings. Okay, the next is eighth one, account holder's signature. Whatever the name of the account holder, according to that do the signature. Don't do your own signatures, because the students have a habit of ready to do their signatures. They do their signatures very frequently. So don't do your own signature, your own name. Here your name is Gopi Krishna. So the signature could be of Gopi Krishna only, like this. Okay, as you wish. whatever the name would be given, the same signature would be done. Okay. Now, will recall once again whatever we have learned. Read the question properly. This is the question. Read the form carefully. This is the form. Okay. You can get the form in your books. Check the number of blanks to fill. How many number of blanks to fill? You have 8 blanks to fill. Mention the answer against the related number. Mention the answer against the related number. This we have done. And this is supposed to be done in your answer booklet. In your answer booklet. It's not to be done in your question paper. You know it very well, being in second years, that there is nothing to be written on the question paper. Otherwise, you will be booked in the pretext of malpractice. So, be careful about that one. Whatever it is required, we have to first see that, then you can fill it up. I hope you have understood clearly. First, I mentioned you how many types of forms. There are so many still. I have checked out few which you have in your pattern, in your syllabus. The next is the how to fill it up, hints for filling up, and then the question, and we have done one of the practice. So, in the next class, we will try to complete one of the bus application pass. So, you can get it you can understand it in a better way. So, by the time, wait for the next class and take care.